Hello guys, so welcome back to this segment of the session backtesting. Alright, so if you have been hearing about backtesting, we have the practical videos on backtesting, we have the theoretical videos on backtesting. So this is just a kind of summary. We are just summing up everything together. Alright, so pay attention. So we backtest our strategy, which is our edge, to know the efficiency of the strategy, to know how to think in probabilities, to have confidence about the edge, and to help us manage our risks and to understand the certain condition of the strategy, right? Alright, so in this video, make sure you stay to the end because we'll be doing I'll be telling you some important aspect of this backtesting you will not want to neglect, right? Because you need to work it out together, right? And as well, before I proceed, do well to destroy the subscribe button. You Give me a good like there, and as well, I can get a comment at the comment section. All right, so let's get to work. All right, so I'll be looking at the types of backtesting, exploring your edge in different dimensions. Right, in the world of trading, there's more than one way to test the strength and reliability of a strategy. Backtesting doesn't have to be limited to scrolling through charts and imaging trades. It can take on different forms, each serving a unique purpose in refining and solidifying your trading edge, right? You get the point. Okay, so here are the three major types of backtesting every trader should understand and apply. Take note, the three types of backtesting every trader must understand and apply. Alright, so the first one is what we call the markups. The first one is what we call the markup. So what is markups? Markups is the manual type of backtesting, right? So from the practical segment we have to dig, that we can refer to that as markups. Yes, we can refer to that as markups. From the manual segment we have done all those, okay, let me say, like from all of the segment we did in Euro USD, you can see this. So this is what we refer to as markups. You see, where you just come to your chart and just do the drawing. So I was doing this for the day strategy. So you can check my other videos on backtesting. So you see, this is this is for the day. So this is what we call a markups. This is an example of markups trading. So let's look at its features. All right, so markups is the lab where your ideas meet reality. So first of all, you have an edge, or you just learned a trading edge. You test it through markups, right? Where we use the bar replay, we use the trading view. You just go to the market and just, okay, see, this is a classic form of backtesting, manually going over historical chart and visually marking where your strategy trades entry and exit would have occurred. So just manually marking out where your trade entry exit would have occurred. So this is what we call markups. So yeah, so this is what we call markup. So how it works, you already know how it works. Just go to your trading view and then just apply all of this and you record the outcome and analyze the performance. Boom, that is, you are good with that right here. So what are the benefits? It deepens your understanding of price behavior and structure 100%. It brings you to the understanding of how this price behave and as well the structure which you really want to be aware of. Yeah, and as well it enhances your pattern recognition. It helps you to recognize your edge more, in the twinkling of an eye. Okay, this has been happening, this is my edge, this is my entry criteria has been made, and then boom, you activate, right? So markups will help you with that. So it helps you build visual memory and confidence in execution. So it helps you build visual memory and confidence in what? In execution technique. So now this for markups. So markups is the first stage of every backtesting. Markups is the first stage of every word backtesting. All right, so the next one is what we call the live testing. The live testing. Stay with me now. Stay with me. So in this live testing, what is live testing? It's a simulated forward testing, right? So when you practice like is game time. So live testing is game time. I can call it game time, right? Yes. So you can say live testing is gaming time, but it's not like you are just playing game really, but you are intentional in the game you are playing because you really want to abide by the rules of the game. Yeah, so it's also known as paper trading. This method involves executing your trade in real time using demo accounts, following your trading rules strictly but without risking real money. So this is it. Live testing is a simulated kind of testing. So this is what I mean by simulated kind of testing. I can put this into perspective, but I just want you to get the idea. So live testing is when you have access to see how the market is performing. It is still back data, right? It is still back, it's still past price data. So TradingView offers replay tool. So now using the replay tool in TradingView, that's what we call live testing. I don't know if you get the point. So now coming to this point like this, you see this is markups, this is still back testing, but we refer to this as markups. So now what do we refer to as back testing? Sorry, as live testing. So this live testing now. So these are price data, these are past data. So now me coming here like this and using this replay to cut this now at this point. So this is what now. So you can see that now I can feel the price movement. So maybe I say this is a breakout or this is a good momentum candle, and now I just simply buy this trade from here. I can come here and buy, and just put my SL and then maybe put my TP at this point. 1:2. Or what is the as the case may be. Then what will I do now? I just hit this play button and then I want to see how it will react, and boom. This is live testing. This is no markups anymore. So after this now you say okay, this is a supply zone, you want to sell from here, and maybe you carry your this you put here. So you can allow market to come to this point and you click sell. It's still the same thing, it will still give you your performance, right? Yeah. So maybe you're just doing this, you're just doing this. So maybe you just play it again. Boom. You see market has activated those, and what he hit SL, and what is he doing? You see market hit SL and then it came to our TP. I don't know if you get the point. So now this is what? This is live testing. Yes, this is what we call live testing. Take note, this is live testing. So now this is what? This is demo account. If I buy this market now, okay, let me sell it because the market is down. So I've sold this market now. You see sell. If I play it now, the market sell, I'm in profit. So you see, as you sold, I was in profit. Now it's buying, I'm in loss. Loss of minus $8. So continue. So you see now you see that I'm in loss 28 something dollars. You see, so this is what? This is demo testing. So coming back to here, how does it work? You see, you use platform like TradingView is paper trading, trade log as the case may be. But then I'll give you one secret, one other app that will help you with live testing. So now you stick to your risk parameters and trading plan. So I can come in and maybe I set my this thing, this is 1k. I can set it to any quantity I want to set it as, as the case may be. So I've set that. So you just set everything and then you journal each trade like this. Now I journal the result of this one, that this one went to a 3 arrow, this one hit SL, boom. You see, so this is live testing. It helps you relate with the market condition as if it's real life experience, right? Yeah, so that is one thing you need to know. So this is live testing. So what are the benefits of live testing? It helps you build discipline and consistency in real market condition. So all these times you have been doing markups, you have not seen how it will happen in real life condition, you understand? So it helps you build discipline and consistency in real market scenarios, how you would have operate, how okay your mind would have tell you that okay, no, this is not the right time, this engulfing, it will, you just see markups and you see everything. But when you see live testing now, maybe in markups you might have 80% win rate. In live testing you might have 65% win rate, because that is where you are engaging the game now, you are playing the game, right? Yeah. So now, what is the other benefit? It shows how you handle real time emotions and delays. Yes, how you delay the execution. In markup you just say, oh, this is a pin bar, you enter, you get the point. So but now in live testing you see a pin bar, and then maybe it's still a kind of bullish trend, and then you just wait, and then all of a sudden the market is going to a direction, you have lose that trade. But in markups you still count that one as trade, but now in real life testing the price have passed, so you miss that trade, right? Yeah, so that is one thing. So now it gives insight into trade management in emotion, very important. So look at this now. So when this was going up, okay, okay, let's just say we were in this trade now, it went up like this now. So now see, it came down, now it was now going up to our entry price. How will you react? It came down, it was now going up, you see, will you call this break of structure to exit the position? So now this is what now it gives insight into trade management in emotions. So live testing is very important. Don't just aim at markups, also ensure to do live testing as well. So in this live testing, let me give you also an update on an app that can give you free testing. Trading view, you can only test the daily time frame, right? Yes, but with this platform you will test the lower time frames as well. So the name of the platform is called Traders Casa. So I just sign in, and then I say login. So now you can see this is my trading sessions. So I will come to backtest report. You see, so this is the only session I have. So if I click on this now, you can see that I can just basically backtest with live testing. With this one sef, I can even place the live trade right here. So see now, so this data now, if I put this in 50 minutes, so increase the, you see, you should just go. So you can see you are feeling the market condition. So this is an update, so take it kindly and be ready to backtest to prove your strategy, right? So this live testing for you, go and enjoy it, guys. I love you so much, so that's why I'm giving you all of this for free, guys. Yes, so now this is for live testing. So the last one is what we call the forward testing. So this is where the real challenge comes in, right? This is where you interact with the real face of the game. So you can see it is where theory meets reality, where all those theory you have learned. But it is good to learn those theory, because that is where the confidence is being built. Or yeah, you will finalize the confidence, right? Yeah, so with skin in the game, okay, where theory meets reality with skin in the game. So what is forward testing? It involves trading your strategy with real money in a live account, but often starting with small capital. So this is it. When you have done live testing, you can also upgrade to, okay, now I'll tell you this now for free, that there are two types of forward testing. You can forward test using demo account, MT5 meta code demo, right? You can forward test. So each day you apply your system, you enter the trade, and you allow time to mingle with your emotion, and you see the outcome. I don't know if you get the point. Yes, so you allow time, maybe as the trade is going, you are seeing it slowly, you allow time to happen to you. That is in demo. And then the last part of this testing, see, you test oh, but you might think that this is waste of time, but there's how, at the end of this video now, I'll give you a balance to it. Yeah, I'll give you a balance to it. Alright, so forward testing involves trading your strategy with real money in a live account, but often starting with small capital. The goal is to test your strategy performance, and to mingle with your emotion, and your emotion and your emotional discipline under real world market dynamics. That means under real market scenarios and dynamics. Yes. So how it works: use a micro or cent account to limit risks. Yes. So apply your tested strategy just like in back testing. Simple, just like in your live testing. Simple. But this one now, you wait for time to happen. Remember, in live testing, you will not wait for time. You just play it with any speed you want, even in trading view. But then in forward testing, you trade it as the day open, you trade it as the day close, you all those your laws, you apply it live or forwardly, yes, as the candle is being played. Yeah. So the last one is to track performance and journal insight rigorously. So this is what you want to get the real reaction to this trading, not just in markups, not just in live testing. You need to go the last further, which is forward testing. Yeah. So any strategy, before you use it on any pair, you need to test it, forward test it in demo. Yeah, forward test it in demo, very important. Yes. So what are the benefits of this testing? Number one, real exposure to slippage. Thank you very much. Spread and execution speed. So now you interact the market real time. So now when we talk about slippage in the market, it is, it is the time duration it takes for a trade to be executed. And most times you enter a trade, maybe you click on buy, and you were supposed to be executed at a particular point, but then the market will execute it at a, maybe a point, a pip, a pip. Okay, let me say, if you are buying, it will activate you above a certain price. Meanwhile, it was supposed to activate you as the ask price, and for the same, for the bid price, when you are selling, it's supposed to activate you at the bid price, but it will activate you a little bit lower, right? So that's what we call slippage. So you see this real slippage in the market. You see real spread if you are using sniper entry in demo, in live testing. You do it real time and see whether it will work. And also execution speed. Some people used to test how to trade news. When you are doing it in your trading view, in your like markups, you just see everything is just clear and you can just put it. But you don't know that in real life scenarios, when those news happen, most times their spread is wide. You cannot even use two pips and catch those news, right? So you feel all of those things now in forward testing. Very important. Yes, very important. Very important. Yeah. So it sharpens your ability to follow rules under pressure. Yes. So if you want to really know that you are certified with this, you need to test yourself with forward testing. So the final step in refining your trading edge. Yes. So when you are done with forward testing, then you can now go over to building your trading plan. So yes. So after this now, do yourself the due diligence to watch out the videos on building your trading plan. I tell you the truth. You see trading plan, trading plan. You see backtesting and trading plan. Backtesting is the end product of, okay, trading plan is the end product of backtesting with some other parameters in place. Backtesting and trading plan, they are the systemized approach of your trading. You don't just want to be trading. You want to have a system, a set of rules, guidelines that guides your trading execution and activities. So your trading plan, okay, your backtesting validates your edge and helps you define those clear rules, and then your trading plan now presents it to you that this is the rules for you to follow, your checklists and everything, and then you're good to go. Yeah. So again, I was talking about the forward testing. So there are two types of forward testing, where you just test demo, or you fund a cent account and you test with your cent account. So whichever way, I will advise that the cent account makes sense, because at least you can feel your emotion. So you not just trade with demo, you are losing, you are just losing. But then when you are trading with the cent account, that is in another level. Maybe you have, even though you have $10, you can fund it in the cent account, it will be like $10,000, and then you can just trade it. Yes, and do your good risk management, and then you are good. So I hope you found value from this video. So make sure you watch all the videos on trading plan, right? Building your trading plan, building your rigorous trading plan. They are your success tools. That I'm telling you the truth. If you don't have trading plan, some people have it mentally. but you need to build it to absorb it mentally, right? Yes, so please take note of this. Watch the preceding video on trading plan, and then get yourself equipped with knowledge and understanding as a trader. So thank you very much. Hope you found value in this. If you are not subscribed, wait, smash that subscribe button and also the like button, and then drop a comment with your reactions on this video. I'll be there waiting for you to get your comment. All right, so I'll see you in the next video. So final note: each type of backtesting builds on the other. You start with markups to craft and validate your strategy. You test it in live simulations, and finally prove it in forward testing with actual funds. Right? Yeah. In the end, mastering these three stages allows you to walk into the live market not as a guesser, but as a tested, confident trader with a proven approach. So, every trader want to attend this stage, confident trader with a proven approach. But not all of them are willing to pay the price. So please, I urge you, be different, be willing to pay the price it takes to become a good trader. And I tell you the truth, success will be looking for you. So the goal is to focus on becoming a good trader, and the money will fall in place. If you focus on making the money, all that aspect of humanity play its role in you, and then you might end up not even making the money at all. But you focus on becoming a good trader, the money will follow suit. I assure you. Alright, so thank you. Hope you found value in this. Destroy the like button and the subscribe button, and also comment with your comment about this video. I'll be waiting in the comment section to see you there. Thank you very much. Thank you.